Hey everyone, Will here with the RV Wholesaler Service Department, and today I'm going to be going over how to check your roof and how to maintain your roof. So if you look right here, we have this sealant right here called Dicor. They use this on the top of all of these units, whether or not you have a vinyl roof or a rubber roof. This particular stuff, it doesn't exactly harden. It stays nice and pliable, so it can last through the season. So if you look right here, what you do every season, you're going to look around here, you're going to look for any holes, any bubbles. You want to pop those and fill any holes. If you look right here, this right here is a good example. Right here you can see the screw holding this down. That screw is exposed. Now water can get in there. So what you do, you buy the same substance, you place it on there and walk away. What it does is it self-levels, covers that down. And if you look right over here, this is a problem unit. So what we have here is we have water that has made its way up underneath this sealant, as well as over here. Water has gotten in there. Now inside of this unit we have lots of water damage. So this tiny little area right here, it only takes enough to get a water droplet in. That water droplet accumulates over time. So what you do, you seal that up, and that's going to be everything around this whole entire unit with the exception of the air conditioners, because the air conditioners use a foam padding to seal. So everything around here, the skylight, your vents, as well as your front and rear extrusions, they all have this sealant on them. So if you have any other questions, just give us a call at 877-877-4494.